morning. It's day one of demo day on our kitchen remodel, and Ramiro and I are really excited to take a sledgehammer to our old kitchen. We have a non-supporting wall that's between our kitchen and our dining room that we're going to be removing to create an open concept. We think that's going to allow for a lot more functionality as a family, and it'll be a lot more conducive to entertaining guests, which we love to do. So follow us along as we smash some tiles. There goes Ramiro. Oh my God. Alright, so today's day one of demo day. Kitchen cabinets. That's a lot of drawers. So we just finished our kitchen, and I'm so excited about the transformation. Because Ramiro and I project managed our own remodel, we lined up all the work in advance, and we were able to have the reno completed in just 45 days. If you have any questions about how we coordinated everything, drop a comment below or reach out to us with our contact info. Let's check it out. Thanks for following along on our kitchen transformation. If you live in Southern California and you're looking to remodel your own kitchen, reach out to us and we can connect you with the right contractor. Or maybe you're looking to purchase a home that's already ready to move in. Ramiro and I are licensed realtors, and we've been helping people find the right home since 2005. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel as well. Viva Rivas!